Hello guys, today let's open up ENOKING Knife. It's a hand forged, very sharp and very durable. The best thing about it is this cover right here. It's the bag. It's kind of like a handbag. It's really cool, really thick. So it's gonna protect you from being cut. So here is a knife. Oh my god, look at this. Take a look at this. It's really sharp. You might as well get a sharpener. They are not that expensive, like $20 or something on Amazon. And I think that's about it. That's all you get. Okay, so let's take this out. And put it in here. Close it so it doesn't fall out. So this is very important right here, because if it falls out, hit something, it's gonna be a big trouble. Okay, so take a look at that. How awesome, how cute. Very, very thick. Good protection. Stylish. Seen a lot of TikTok video about these knives. You know, they're cutting steak and stuff. So if you are into doing that kind of stuff, this is the knife you want to get.